Hey guys, this is Dragon Slayer here, and if you want to do stuff like me, like I'm doing right now, need to get Mobazai, Mob is in. Mob is in. Anyways, I'm gonna play some Smashy Road, and this time my audio is all the way up, so you can actually hear me. Okay. Leo Thunder right there.
Yeah, I'm gonna be watching him.
Go be watching. I showed you what this was. It is amazing. Oh my gosh. I spawned this scene. I'm gonna move this up here.
Guys, I will also be playing Smashy Road. While he's playing,
And
I'll tell you my progress.
I'm turning up the music. Oh yeah. Oh no, I'm gonna raise that. No jail can prison me. Wow.
So guys, I am using the flipper.
This just sounds like Leo. It sounds really wrong. Destroy that car. Did you see that? Did you see how far that flew? Flew all the way. And no. After this video.
I busted my engine. My tires didn't work anymore. Guys,
You'll never cage me. Oh no, a tank. If the tank hits you, you're automatically
guys, I have 4 legendaries. Look, I got 4 legendaries. Robert, tell them something. I got 4 legendaries.
Yeah, I have 3. Oh yeah. Check it. Turn the volume down. Down for your face cam.
Look at that.
Look at the face cam.
Money Man, F1. Look. Flipper and Boot Bus.
Okay. Free gift. Oh yeah. I get to check that all the time. Oh come on.
No wait. Let's open the same thing at some time. But not right now. Don't.
I'm exiting out of this app.
Guys, no more Smashing Road.
Yep. I'm changing it to
Make more.
Make more, yeah.
Guys, I will be starting a new channel.
Your channel has so much subscribers though. You have 10 subscribers on your channel.
I know, but I'll be starting a new channel because my channel cannot work.
170 billion. Oh, I'm so excited now. I'm really famous. Okay, this is a game where you have to make more. I need more.
I also got it, guys. I also got
These all are almost robots. You turn into a robot, you turn into a robot. These all are robots. Can I just kick the boss out and make him a robot? Be funny. Get out of here. Get out of here. Oh, I can't do it anymore. So close. And so yeah. Oh my god. Everybody's asleep except for the robots. They don't sleep. They don't sleep. Unlike humans. Humans. Oh yeah, this is called Mr. Master. This is called Mr. Baby. And yeah.
I'm hiring Joe, okay?
You're hiring Joe.
Yeah.
And the best one I really wanted to show you this one right I can't show you. The one on the right, I think. I'm not good at directions. But I think it's left. Oh, wait, no, right. Down.
Ooh, presents.
Corner. It's a present. I got the apple. I got the pen. I got the apple pen. Mr. Hulk. Mr. Hulk has to do a good job or else he's fired. With real fire. Oh yeah.
I am going so well with this.
Okay, I'm getting out of this app. How long has it been? 5 minutes? Okay. Best thing is about Moise, and you can tell how much minutes it's been. It's just so awesome. Wait, click the wrong thing. These are really good decisions. I have a stuffy nose. Rolling Sky. Definitely Rolling Sky. It is the best game. I completed level 1. I'll show you my pro skills on level 1. Oh yeah, I can see my face cam. Oh, there's like shining bright in the background. Oh god, that's loud. That's loud. That's level 2, level 1. I'm a pro at level 1.
Did you check the last video you made?
Yeah, it just didn't have any sound and I published it anyway. That was not pro skills.
So you published a video?
Yeah, but it had no voice. So, yeah. I'm really concentrated right now. Because I don't want to miss any of my balls. That sound wrong? Ugh. That's really sad. I regretted it. Don't worry. I regretted it saying that.
You regret saying it?
Yes.
I regret it.
Look, watch, it's all calm and... I'm really concentrated, that's why I'm not talking. No! Anyways, check Creeper Killer the Cool. His channel out. I'm sure you'll like him. He has 5 subscribers and I have 4. I'm the runt of the group.
Hey Robert, I need your help creating my own channel after this video.
I do not know how. You have to ask Gabriel.
No, I already know how to make a new channel. It's just that I need your help.
Oh, I ran out. I ran out of balls. Let's see. I want to play Roblox, but I don't want it at the same time. Actually, let's play Roblox. It's a nice game. Nice, smooth. Smooth game. I haven't played it in a long time. That's why there's supposed to be new stuff. My brother Harold played it, and he just likes Leech. Okay, parties really. Leech City, Prison Life, Brick Bronze, Murder Mystery. I don't know what to do. Escape the guy. Escape the gym guy. Oh no, just the gym. Read disc. Play. Oh, it's glitching. It's glitching. Oh my god. Wrong side. Sorry about that. Oh god. That guy's really big. You were way bigger. Oh my god, I didn't even see that. Come on, let's get fit. No! I died. I like it. Come on.
It just sounded so weird when you said, I like it.
I like it. Come on. Yes. Yes. I swear if I miss this jump. Stop opening the door over and over again. Just open that one. I don't care. Chocolate bars. Ooh, Doritos. Need candy. He's like, I need candy. No, Coca. Why didn't you grab me, Coca? That's so mean. No, he just made it here. Whoosh. Oh, dang it. Do the spin. Wait, what? I just saw something. Oh, it's just big. Stop riding me. Rider. No.
And guys, we're gonna form both of our channels together soon. Both of our channels.
No, we aren't.
Yeah, we are.
How are you both gonna play games? Oh yeah, we can take turns.
Yeah.
You're right.
And we can also react to stuff.
Just like 8-bit gaming. Ooh, that was close. This is hard. Oh yeah. I want to see those legs move. Don't touch the floor or you'll ow. You know what? You're a bad coach. I had a better coach than you in baseball. Baseballs. Really stuffy nose right now. I need a doctor. Help me. Oh, be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Oh God. Oh, I'm just floating there. I can float. Yay. I have a superpower. Dude. What?
Shut, dude!
Lightning.
Shut, dude! Shut, dude!
Ow, you don't punch me.
I'm gonna go downstairs and wait for you.
No. What? Once. I think I'm gonna end the video here. I know I didn't finish it or anything. Maybe next time I can finish it.
Like part 2?
Yep. Part 2. I think I have a little bit more time. I'm gonna not end it right now. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be hard. I have to get the right... No! Yes! Come on. No! Yes! Boing. Oh, is that the last one, dude? I want to end it right now. I'm gonna end it. Anyways, see you guys later. Oh, wait, my hand is in the way. See you later. Okay? See you.